Today, we're going to talk about the subscription with Baracuda Trade, my update since I've been using the trading robot. Guys, remember with Baracuda Trade, it's a service you're renting from their website. Where they have subscription for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and a year. It's simple as this. You rent the bot right now. They have a $10 special for the month to try it out. You rent this bot, you link that bot to your Binance account. We all know how Binance operates. It's a crypto exchange platform, and the bot now trades on the money that you set from Binance to the bot, right? And this happens automatically. So let's say I have 600 in Binance and I want to trade 300 of that with the robot from Baracuda Trade. You can do that, guys. You only risking $300 out of your 600 with Binance. So that's a little bit about the risk management. I mean, guys, this platform is amazing. Really, thankful that they came out with something like this where we actually could have our funds in our Binance account. You know, we could actually see the growth happening, how the bot is operating, the trade sent out, and everything is automated, guys, right? So you could have your daily routines going on for you and this bot working in the background 24/7, right? So a couple things with Baracuda Trade. It's a recently launched project. It is a service you're taking from the website. So you're renting a robot to trade on your behalf, right? Automated. The percentage so far, I would say close to 1% a day, but remember, past profits cannot guarantee future results. They have a tight risk management tied to their robots. So I'll show you exactly what I'm speaking of, right? So this Baracuda trade is quite amazing, guys, right? It's not like a typical investment site where you had to actually put money into these new platforms, risking everything because I mean, based on my experience, these platforms could exit scam, take your money, pending payments, and all these things, and your money is lost, right? I'm not saying that money in Binance is 100% safe, but if you do your research and see how long Binance have been out here as a crypto exchange and a wallet, so many services being offered from Binance. Now we have the ability to use one of these robots from Baracuda Trade and have it trade on our behalf with the Binance account. So it's a really good strategy, and I like that. It's quite different from the typical investment, right? So I'm gonna just share my screen quickly here just to show you guys what's happening. What Baracuda Trade, my update. And just remember, guys, that this is not financial advice. This is crypto we are talking about. There are a lot of risk involved in cryptocurrencies. And at the end of the day, always risk money that you could afford to lose because going into a business, you never use your emergency money, right? So it is an opportunity to earn. I am taking a risk. I basically had started with 200 USDT BP20 in my Binance account, right? So you hear that it's on my Binance account. I rented a bot. I took the best package, which is $150 a 1 month. You could have a lot of bots working, you know, and we're gonna talk about the subscriptions as well. So by the way I handle anyone funds, I'm simply sharing my journey because I know a lot of people out there just like me looking for a way that, hey, could our money be used from our Binance? Could a robot actually access the funds and trade it on our behalf? Well, guys, that's what Baracuda is, and that's what is happening right now. So always remember that, guys. There will always be risk, right? So I want to touch quickly on this Baracuda. What is this Baracuda Trade about, right? So based on the website information here, Baracuda Trade is a trading terminal with integrated tools for ordinary investors who are interested in safely increasing their crypto assets and receiving serious income with minimal risk. So you notice they didn't say no risk, minimal risk. So keep that in mind, guys. The risks are still there, right? So I like the idea that I could have like 600 in my Binance and I could only risk 200 of that or 300 with the Baracuda bot, right? So that's pretty cool there. So as well for crypto traders seeking maximum profitability. So it is a way, a site to come in and rent a robot, right? So as you can see on the website here, a real cool information there. If you're interested, guys, I do have a referral link in the description. You could use that to sign up if you want to give it a try. So we want to talk quickly about the subscriptions. I'm going to just log into my account quickly here. Go to the dashboard, right? And this is the interface here, guys. We're going to go to subscriptions, and I'm going to explain this subscription. So what's happening here is that all these packages you see in here, I'm going to pull up the PDF as well. You're going to see test package, light, optimal, and best. So these packages here is quite simple. All the robots operates the same way. And based on the results I got so far, which I'll share with you all in a bit, it looks like a close to 1% I receive, right? So if I head back to my account here, and I just want to go to bot subscript, go to my bots, right? And you could see I almost have $4 profits here, right? I started on 11, $200. I authorized the bot to use from my Binance account. And that's pretty cool, right? That's just like a day, 2 days ago. Already getting that profit here. So you have the ability to, I'm seeing a stop button here. You could actually stop the bot from working. You're going to see there is a date also when you purchase the bot. They will have an expiry date showing you when the bot will expire. All right. And you'd have a chart here. You could see that chart, how the bots have been performing based on the coin selected, right? So we're gonna just look quickly at some information here, right? Give me one. So back to our main account here, right? Under account, you're gonna see the bot that you purchase under your subscription plan. You're gonna say expiration date, right? So that's where you see that expiration date when you purchase a bot. So I'm going to explain quickly on the subscription. Let me just pull up the PDF here. So you're going to see test bot. This is pretty cool. They allow you to spend $10 USDT BP20 to activate one robot. All right. So what is going to happen here? If you have $300 or less, meaning minimum $150 to 300 in your Binance account, and you want to use the test bot, that is what you can do, guys, because the test bot reads up to $300 in your Binance. So 3 steps you have to do is one, create an API. I have a video on that. Or you could always reach out to me if you want to get that. The API allows the bot to access Binance, so you could start your trading. So creating an API key is the first step. The second step is getting a subscription from Baracuda. You could try, you could try the $10 subscription. I think is a special offer until October the 1st. So if you want to give it a shot, guys, you might as well. It's $10, right? So that's the second thing. And thirdly, that's activating a strategy from Baracuda. And that's pretty much it. There's 3 steps to get started, and automatically the bot is going to start to work. Right, so with this test, $10, no discount. You have the light subscription where your deposit volume could be up to $3,000, right? You get 3 bots. So check how cool this is. These 3 bots, you could have it working on 3 coins. You could have it working on the near coin and any other 2 coins supported on the platform. So let me just give you an example of what that is about. So if I go to active strategies here, right, and I select a popular strategy 210, I could choose, right, any one of these tokens here. So having 3 robots, you could choose 3 tokens for trading automatically in your Binance account. But keep in mind, you have to have minimum $150 and above, and that's USDT BP on your account. So if you want to trade one robot that's $150 and above. If you want to trade 2 robots, you have to have $300 minimum in your Binance, right? And if you're doing 3, well, it's gonna be 300 plus 150 again, right? So you have all these coins supported. Near coin is near USDT is the popular token, but watch these, a lot of tokens available, guys, right? So you have the option there, and that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. And you could set the amount. If you have, as I mentioned, 600 in your Binance, you could only risk 300 out of that. And you just hit create bot and it's going to start. I mean, it's literally going to start that trading within an hour or so, if not a couple minutes, right? So we're gonna basically continue the explanation of the subscription. You have the light 3 rewards. You could basically trade 3 coins. They have specials here. 1 month is $30 if you want to take it with the light. Remember, that's volume up to $3,000. Yeah, if you want to do a 3 months, it's $78. You get a discount there, 13.3. 6 months, if you want to do it for 6 months, it's $141. And that's USDT BP. So that's from Binance as well. You could send the payment from Binance once you have the capital and the amount to take that subscription. Right. So if you want to do a 1 year with the light, it's $261. You get a discount there. There's the optimal now subscription package where the bots could trade up to $10,000. Look at that, guys. Right? You have 7 bots, meaning you could trade on 7 different tokens. You got 1 month is $70, right? That is totally affordable, I would say too, as well, for 7 robots. And that's pretty cool, right? So you have 3 months, 180, 6 months, 300. You have a year, 546 on the optimal. So the current package that I have right now, it's the one of the best package, rate 4, right? Deposit amount is unlimited, guys. That's pretty cool. Active bots, you could trade a lot of different pairs in terms of the coins supported, right? You get a 1 month for 150, right? 3 months, $330, 6 months, 570, and 1 year, 900. Like I mentioned before, this is really, really good, and I would say affordable. I mean, look at that, $10 to rent a bot for 1 month, all right? Trading on one pair. And if you have $300 in your account, you could actually use that and trade, right? Or you could risk just 200 and leave the other 100 as a backup, right? So a really, really cool feature here in the subscription plan. But I know you guys want to see how this bot really working, As I showed you all, I already saw some profits here from my bot that I have working since 11, right? This is happening every day. I'm seeing some profits here. So far since I joined, that is. So I want to head over to Binance, right? This is my account. And look at this, guys. I initially had, let me go to my account here and show you what's happening, right? Let me just head over to the dashboard. All right, once you go to the dashboard here, look at this. They have a chart here, right? The money that you earn from the robot trading on your Binance account is basically is yours, right? I initially had like you can see the chart here, 35, my 234.98, and you can see it's going up in the chart, right? You could see it's going up there. So the funds that accumulate from the trading, you get it directly to your Binance account. That's pretty cool. So that doesn't go back to Baracuda website. That comes to, so the purpose of that robot is to trade on Binance. So I want to just show you what's happening here. If I head over to my assets on spot, right? You're gonna see the USDT here, or I could simply search. Let me search it. USDT, near USDT. I could search it and look at this, guys. Look at this. This is actually trades open here that the bot had placed, right? Once you activate it and you want to get this feature to see how the robot is trading with open trades. You just right click on the chart. You're going to select more settings and make sure open orders is ticked. Once you scroll down on this page here, this is where the action is. 11 orders open right now, right? So the bot is working. I mean, literally look at the time and these trades was placed on yesterday. All right. And this is crypto trading. So it's 7 days a week you're looking at. So if I go to trade history, you're going to see the history of the trades here, the order history. You could see filled. We had a lot of orders filled already. And this is happening 24/7. I'm not saying it's a risk-free opportunity. I'm just saying, guys, this is something different. I mean, to know that your funds is in Binance, you could actually set how much you want to trade from your capital in Binance using the robot. It's pretty amazing, right? It minimizes a lot of risk there. Because I mean, if you join a new platform and they're asking like, okay, you deposit $500 in this new platform and they're promising you 1.3% a day and your money locked in that new platform for 30 days. You're not sure if they're gonna last 30 days. In many occasions, you gain like 1.3% a day and you might get 2 weeks and bam shot the platform they vanish with your money. So I really, really like this idea that the funds is in your Binance account and it's just the robot services you are taking. So this is actually real-time trading happening here with the robot. And as I mentioned, the funds that the robot accumulates, it goes to your Binance account directly. So this, I mean, if you have some cash in your wallet, this was literally 235. Now it's 239, right? So I'm seeing some good performance so far. And I think it's definitely worth something looking into. You want to try something new, you could give this a shot, guys, right? Baracuda Trade. I do see a nice long-term um opportunity here, right? If you go back to the website, they have a lot of things they're working on as well to offer individuals. And on the platform, you would see coming soon, crypto signals and strategy, a lot of different things they have under development. With that being said, this is my update for today. I hope it brought some value to you because Barracuda is showing a lot of performance currently, and it's something new, guys. So think about it and let me know what is your take on it. You can reach out to me in the comment section. You could find a way to get in contact with me directly, or there also will be a link in the description.